Hello everyone, welcome to this presentation. Folks, I hope you're all connected to this video and having a normal viewing experience. I believe I have your full attention as well. These are just a few slides, but they contain vital pieces of information that we want to share with you today. It's all the kind of stuff that can positively influence your business. In many cases, I'm sure it has the potential to positively influence your position in your company. This presentation is all about understanding that implementing a mature ERP product such as SAP is a vital part of enabling your business, and how over time it gives you many times more return on your investment. At VitalWires, we are dedicated to helping mid-sized companies scale and be competitive by implementing this holistic ERP product. We all know SAP is a widely accepted and market-leading product that helps thousands of customers realize this vision. I'm Vinay Singh, Chief Executive Officer of VitalWires Consulting. VitalWires is a pure-play SAP services and solutions firm. We are SAP's implementation partner and specialize in component manufacturing segment. Let's understand what we are going to cover in this presentation. First, we will talk about implementing SAP solely as a business decision based on the returns it gives you. Second, we will try to build a clear understanding of how you get your returns manyfold from SAP. Following which, I would like to introduce you to SAP's ERP offering for mid-sized companies, SAP Business All-in-One. In the end, I would like to share with you how we at VitalWires bring distinct value. We will also discuss a few clear next steps for all of us in order to go live by the next financial quarter. Most people hire a cook who cooks reasonably tasty meals, whereas they should hire a cook who can cook healthy and tasty food. 20% more expensive cook who can keep you healthy is disproportionate return on your investment. There are too many ERP products out there of highly varying degree of possible outcomes. Only a mature ERP product will act as an investment. Rest will resemble just firefighting attempts. I already explained to you, but let's nail this point of ROI versus a mature ERP product, because it's often misunderstood. You reap the benefits of a mature ERP system at 3 stages fundamentally. First stage is transactional coverage. With a not so mature ERP product, you don't get 100% coverage at the first stage itself. Most looking good ERP systems without taking any names will give you less than 100% coverage on capturing transactions. Some will not cover subcontracting process with appropriate tax treatments, and others can't consolidate your balance sheet in real time if you had multiple locations of manufacturing and also dealt with forex. Others can't help you plan your productions and purchases. I'll explain this, but do not make the mistake of thinking that you are getting 70% value for, let's say, 20% cheaper product. That sounds attractive. However, transactional coverage is not what you were expecting from your ERP system in the first place. You are actually getting overall 10% value from something that is just about 20% cheaper. Actual value of an ERP system is at the second stage and the third stage of operational excellence and strategic decision making. With an immature product, you can raise POs and invoices from the system. Also capture financial postings for most transactions, and enter independent vouchers for others, I must add. But you still can't measure and control your key performance indicators. Imperfect coverage at the transactional level itself prevents you from knowing or influencing any of those key performance indicators, such as inventory turnover, serviceability, or plant throughput. Isn't that what you care about? Result: if you cannot measure your KPIs, achieving operational excellence is impossible. That's what the second stage is. You know the consequences. Your cost is higher. Either you are winning business at unsustainable margins, or you are losing business simply to your competitors. Again, talking about the third level of ROI generation from the system through strategic decision making. If you do not have coverage of all transactions in the system at the first level, you really can't imagine getting the strategic pieces of information from the system. All in all, what sounds like you got 70% coverage for something that was 20% cheaper. And hey, if you start looking at some of those products as well, they would sound like 50% cheaper. 50% cheaper, 70% value looks like an attractive equation again, but it's not what you're looking for. Transactional coverage is not what you're looking for. It's 70% of transactional coverage, zero excellence driver, zero on strategic decision making. You would never ever get there. Overall, you get just 10% of the value from something that is either 20% cheaper, or like I said, if you look at other products as well, maybe 50% cheaper. And of course, you count those years that you spend trying to make it work before you actually finally decide that it doesn't work. Save your time, value your time. To conclude, the fire is doused for most part of it, but the business doesn't flourish. It's a typical situation where you say it's better than nothing. However, you miss the real opportunity, real possibilities. That's what a mature ERP product like SAP brings to you. Success for your business. You invest X lakhs and you get 3x back in next 2 to 3 years. अगर आप खुद ही मैनेजमेंट हैं तो आपको एक क्लियर आइडिया होना चाहिए कि आपको फायदा होगा कहां से, और अगर आप मैनेजमेंट को एक अच्छी एडवाइस देना चाहते हैं तो भी आपके पास एक टैबुलर शीट होनी चाहिए जिसमें रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट का पूरा इक्वेशन हो. This slide lists some of the high potential areas from where you directly get your returns. There are a number of indirect returns as well. We are taking the example of a company here which has 100 crore INR turnover, runs at a net profit margin of about 15%. Let's look at first point, plant throughput. Quite often you produce what you don't sell. Let's say you manufacture a two-wheeler component. By the time your marketing tells your production that today's order requires black color instead of red, black color has already been produced to some extent. This lack of tight integration leads to consumption of plant and warehouse capacity that is not actually earning you money. Plant throughput is the measurement of sales with respect to plant capacity. A mature system like SAP helps you integrate sales, production and store functions with reliable pieces of information, leading to a higher plant throughput. One can easily improve plant throughput to the extent of 2 to 4%. Some companies can actually drastically improve this figure. Even at the 2% improvement level, you end up selling 2% of your turnover more and more profit accordingly. 30 lakhs per annum, for example, company as an extra saving is not a small amount. What about the second point, is statutory compliance. A 100 crore company pays about 11 to 12% of total excise and service tax. In lack of a great system, you either end up availing 50 to 60 lakhs more or less. Explaining this to a government agent is a difficult task. We all know that. Result, you end up throwing away close to 10 to 15 lakhs to ensure statutory compliance. What about inventory turnover? While there are unlimited benefits of supporting your production with always available stock to meet the commitments to customers, you can save lakhs of cost of capital that is otherwise stuck in inventories that were never needed in the first place. Improve your inventory turnover by 10% with a mature material resource planning system of SAP software, and you will end up saving close to 10 lakhs per annum, just at the level of about 50 to 100 crore turnover. Go to the run-of-the-mill ERP system, you never get to this level ever. Serviceability ratio. Ask yourself, do you always deliver the right quantity and within the right time frame or the committed time frame? While the brand value of being a reliable partner is immense, estimating direct gains is quite attractive as well. By increasing your serviceability, you actually end up delivering more to the customer and collecting more revenue. Usually not so well equipped companies have serviceability ratio of 80 to 90%. Look at the global leader of your segment and you realize that taking your serviceability performance to 95% is not such an impossible task. Integration of sales, production planning, production execution and better quality control leads to higher serviceability ratio. Increase it by 5% with SAP's help and you save at least 12 lakhs per annum. And like I said, this is at the level of 50 to 100 crore turnover. Next point, what about productivity gains? While you may have recovered your investment in just about 2 years of SAP, the windfall comes a few years down the line. A company can grow from 100 crore to 300 crore and runs its operations by just increasing its staff from 30 people to about 45. In absence of a mature system, this increase would have been to about 70 to 90 people. For an industry that operates on a 5-15% profit margin, savings are tremendous, and business leaders can actually focus on building a marketing and design team rather than building a fleet just to run the operations. With so many things under control over a few years, let's say 3 to 4 years, business leaders and their core team members end up executing their business growth plans a few months earlier. You really can't begin to estimate the benefits, but for sure you'll have close to about 7 to 10 crores of profit that you would not have had otherwise in that year. Ladies and gentlemen, this is quite a straightforward decision. Make it for your business or help your business owner make it. If you are at the right level of turnover, go for a mature ERP product.
It is SAP Business All-in-One solution that we are talking about for you. It is SAP's flagship ERP product with a collection of best practices that are defined for specific industry verticals. SAP Business All-in-One is a ready-to-go solution with an ability to support your business growth to any extent in terms of turnover, business processes, and expansion across manufacturing units and geographies. It also takes care of integration with customers, suppliers, or any other partner as and when you need through a very robust integration platform, SAP NetWeaver. In a nutshell, this solution acts as a critical enabling platform for growing mid-sized companies and remains with the customer for a really long period, giving a very high return on investment.
It's a benchmark SAP implementation that we completed in 12 weeks straight. Clients signed off this case study after process audits for 2 consecutive quarters by Ernst & Young. There are several more case studies from other industry verticals. We would like to know your specific interest. As a company, we just focus on making sure that you get right level of ROI. We consider our job done if you invest X lakhs and get at least twice of that in 2 to 3 years time. To illustrate this point, one company works on order to delivery speed. Another one focuses on job work for a significant part of its business. One among you may be actually interested in selling to premium export customers. Whether you can support your export customers through product recall situation or not will be a question of business or no business from that customer. It's our job to understand this specificity of your business and make sure that we implement the right collection of best practices provided by SAP. The other big difference we make is definitiveness to the project and its schedule. We make it happen. It's a big concern as SAP implementations require several factors to be in place for it to be a successful initiative. Whether it is about change management or project control procedures, we have devised mechanisms that are suitable to the environment of growing mid-sized company, our target segment. That's why we have done some benchmark implementations. In a nutshell, we firstly ensure ROI to you through our unique solution approach by either using SAP's collection of best practices or through some of our own solution components for component manufacturing industry. Secondly, our unique delivery methodologies designed for mid-sized environments ensure that your project is successfully executed. In conclusion, if you meet the turnover criteria, that is, if you are around 50 crore INR already, there is no reason not to take the plunge. Be decisive. Do not worry about how you will get trained and whether you have enough business process owners to facilitate the project. You just need to focus on getting a mandate for us. We'll do the rest from beginning to end. Get in touch with us. We'll also help you build the ROI equation. Let me thank you for spending this valuable time to view this video. For an online Q&A session, keep an eye for communication from us. Thanks once again. Bye-bye.